Hi, I'm Tara Cross, and today I'm going to do an unboxing. So I decided to begin my own Pampered Chef career, and I'm going to be a kitchen consultant. So I just received my little kit. I'll put my little owl over here. So I received this box. I'm going to open that in a minute, see what's in it, and an apron. Oh, look at that, it says Pampered Chef. And I bought the basic kit that cost $50, and I received the pizza stone. So let's open up the pizza stone, see what it looks like. So years ago, I had the original pizza stone that didn't have any handles. And the thing that I'm really, really excited about is this new pizza stone. So I actually want to see it myself, see what it looks like. I haven't actually seen one in person, just in the magazine, and I was so excited. Oh, this is fun. So it actually has handles on it. So here's the pizza stone, and I just love these handles. They're so awesome. So it'll be so easy to put it in the oven and take it out. And this right here is called a scraper. This is what you use to scrape off all of the food. And then you just wash it with water. You don't even need soap. You just wash it off with hot water. And I'm sure our little thing will explain everything. And so you do need to season it to begin with a little bit of oil or with high-fat foods for the first time, a few times. So anyway, but I have absolutely loved the stone that I've had for the last 25 years, and it's fun to have an upgraded one. Okay, so let's see what else I've got over here. So this is a cup slicer. So this is a very fun tool. So you've got a little cup, and you can take off the bottom, and it has these blades. You can take some fruit or tomatoes or avocados. I've actually taken an avocado and I just put it right over top, and then the avocado slices came up, and then I put the bottom back on, and it pushes the avocado slices up, and then you just take them out and use them, and it was so beautiful. I just loved it. This is a great invention. So the kit also comes with some Italian seasoning, so you could put this if you're making your own sauce, or even just to put it on your pizza, or if you make a lot of Italian food. So this is a coated knives. So they've got different knives that they sell. So this is one of them. I'll be that in the middle. And then this is an adorable little scraper. I love this. It's called a mini mix and scraper. So anyway, I love how tiny it is with little small places. And of course, can't eat your pizza without your pizza cutter. So I've got my own little rotary cutter for my pizza. And then I've got my little mini spatula so I can scrape up the pizza slices. So anyway, this is my pizza kit, and which is wonderful for us. So I chose this particular kit because me and my family, we love to eat pizza. Every Friday we make homemade pizza, and so for me, I just absolutely love all of these things to add into what we are already doing and to make it faster and easier. And so I'm so excited to have this kit and to be able to use it. And I'm going to share with you when I make my first pizza. Come back here again next week, and I will share with you some of the food that I'm making with my new Pampered Chef items.